This video is primarily focused on Canvas, which is what we're going to be discussing today. Canvas is the learning management system used at Center Grove High School, and for many teachers, most of the activities, assignments, and quizzes are utilized in Canvas. Canvas is where we are posting most of our material in order to perform schoolwork. So rather than just handing out papers to students, we're now having them open things up and submit things on their iPad. This not only helps us become more paperless over time, but this also helps students keep track of assignments as they're always on their iPad rather than in 50 different locations inside of their backpack or binders. Canvas integrates with the iPads for seamless use in the classroom. So there's no lag time, and it's actually much more efficient to use Canvas than a lot of other resources that are available. The expectation at Center Grove High School is that all teachers are using Canvas for basic functions such as posting assignments, utilizing the calendar feature, making announcements, and student communication. If you have questions about this, feel free to contact the individual teacher on how they utilize Canvas and what those expectations are. This is an example of a Canvas homepage. You'll see to the left hand of the screen there is a menu bar where students can access assignments, discussions, other students in the classroom, the syllabus, quizzes, modules, and other topics. On the right-hand side, you see a course stream and feedback. On this side, you would see, if you were a student, any feedback that a teacher has left from grading materials that a student has submitted. You would also see any assignments that the student has due coming up in the near time. The home page provides access to all of the different functional features of Canvas that students would use for a particular course. The calendar feature is one of the most important features within Canvas because this takes all of the students' courses and places all of their assignments within the dates that they are due. So for example, on October 1st, 2014, the students within this biology class had two assignments. First, the cell membrane lab is due on that date, as well as the moving boxes activity. On Friday, October 3rd, students had tonicity practice, which would have been due and submitted on Canvas. So the calendar feature really helps students organize what assignments are due and what dates they are due. Additionally, quizzes and tests can also be assigned within Canvas and posted on this calendar. Assignments that are not submitted on Canvas can additionally be posted on this calendar, so that way students are not looking in multiple locations for which assignments are going to be due the next class period. It is truly one of the most beneficial features inside Canvas. I certainly want to stress that the gradebook within Canvas is not the official gradebook used by Center Grove High School. The official gradebook of Center Grove High School is posted in Skyward, and many of you are very familiar with this. However, there is a grades application within Canvas, but many teachers do not take all of the assignments that are given and have them submitted on Canvas. So the grades that are posted within Canvas would not be an accurate representation of the student's actual grade. If you want to check the student's actual grade, please utilize Skyward, as that will be the most accurate and up-to-date location to find your student's grades. So how do I access Canvas as a parent of a student at Center Grove High School? There is a way where you can access and see what students have due the next class period, as well as what grades they have received on assignments and what feedback has been available to the students. The procedure is quite simple. You just need to simply access the Center Grove homepage and click on Need a Canvas account. The Center Grove homepage is centergrove.instructure.com. Simply type this into your web browser, click Submit, and then click on Need a Canvas account. Once you are here, click on the bottom portion below I am a teacher and I am a student, in the small font that says Parents Sign Up Here. You need to add all of the essential information that is listed below, including your name, your email, the child's username, and the child's password. The child's username and password will be the same as the username and password that the child uses to log into Skyward. You must agree to the terms of use and acknowledge the privacy policy. Once you have completed this, you may click on Start Participating. At this point in time, you will receive an email that mentions that you have been added to the account. Now you have access to the calendar and other useful information. Once you click on Finish the registration process, it will take you to another page where you will create your own username and password. Once this is done, you will use that username and password to log into Canvas in order to access the materials that we have mentioned before. To access the materials such as the calendar feature, and to be able to see what assignments are due the next several days. Other important Canvas information is listed below. As you see here, this is an example of an assignment from an American Studies class that takes place at Center Grove High School. On the right-hand side, you see the button that says Submit an Assignment. If you notice an activity that a student has participated in that you see Submit Assignment, this lets you know that the student has not submitted the assignment. If it looks like this, on the right-hand side where you see Submission and it's been turned in, it will let you know that that student has submitted that particular assignment on that date. If there are any comments that are posted, that will be seen on the right-hand side as well, along with the grade that the student received. Notice also on the right-hand side that there is a location for a to-do list. When a student opens up Canvas, the to-do list is one of the first things that they will see on their homepage. The to-do list lists all of the assignments that are due over the next several days that teachers have assigned. This is a very easy tool for both you and your student to be able to see what is due over the next several days and what needs to be accomplished within Canvas.